Leo, a young man with a heart as vast as the ocean, volunteered at an animal shelter. He wasn't particularly fond of animals, but he felt a strong pull towards helping those in need. One day, a tiny, shivering kitten was brought in, abandoned and alone. Its fur was matted, and its eyes were filled with a heartbreaking fear. The other volunteers, busy with the many other animals, barely registered the small creature huddled in a corner. But Leo saw it. Something in the kitten's forlorn gaze tugged at his heart. He gently scooped up the kitten, its tiny body trembling in his hands. He named her Hope. That night, Leo took Hope home. He cleaned her, fed her warm milk, and kept her close, whispering soothing words. He spent hours playing with her, coaxing her out of her shell. Slowly, Hope responded to his care. Her fear faded, replaced by a tentative trust. She began to purr, a tiny rumble that vibrated through Leo's chest. He found himself smiling, a genuine, heartfelt smile he hadn't felt in a long time. He had expected to help Hope, but in reality, she had helped him. He had been lost in a fog of apathy, but caring for Hope had rekindled a spark within him. Word of Leo's dedication to Hope spread through the shelter. Other volunteers, inspired by his kindness, began to pay more attention to the animals that were often overlooked. The shelter became a place of hope, not just for the animals, but for the volunteers as well. Leo discovered a passion he never knew he possessed, a passion for helping those who needed it most. He continued volunteering, his compassion growing with each animal he helped. He fostered several more kittens, each one a tiny beacon of light that illuminated his own path. He even started a small fundraiser for the shelter, raising thousands of dollars to improve their facilities. His act of kindness towards one small, abandoned kitten had created a ripple effect, changing not only Hope's life, but the lives of countless other animals and the people who cared for them. Leo discovered that the greatest rewards often come from the smallest acts of kindness, and that helping others could be the most fulfilling journey of all.